Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a pie in Pi Visual Write inside Power BI, and more importantly, how to take your pie chart customization to the next level. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know several ways to break down your pie charts to reveal those hidden details, just like you might have seen with the classic Pie of Pie chart in Excel. Whether you want to dig into sales by category, visualize those sneaky other details, or just make your reports more interactive, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up Power BI on your computer. If you're new to the interface, just take a second to get familiar. This is where you'll be creating all your visuals, including our advanced pie chart today. Alright, now to go beyond the standard visuals, look for the option called Get More Visuals. You'll usually find this at the bottom of the visualizations pane, marked by 3 dots. Clicking this opens up Power BI's app source, which is basically a marketplace for extra charts and visuals, kind of like adding more toppings to your pizza, so you're not limited to the basics. Once you're in App Source, type in Pie or try searching for popular options like Drilled on Pie Pro or Pie Chart Tree. These custom visuals are what let us achieve that two-layer effect we're after, where one slice can expand into its own mini pie. Go ahead and add the visual you like to your workspace by clicking Add. It'll now appear with your other chart types ready to use. Let's talk about what a Pie in Pie actually is and why it's so useful. In Excel, this visual lets you show your main categories in one pie, and then, for a category that needs more detail, often something like Other or any slice that lumps things together, you break it out into a second pie. Imagine you're looking at total sales by category. You see a big slice for electronics, another slice for clothing, and then a chunk labeled Other. With a Pie in Pie, that other chunk can split apart into another pie to show exactly what's inside. This helps you tell a clearer story in your reports without cramming everything into a single, hard-to-read chart. Now there are actually a few different ways to create this effect in Power BI, so let me walk you through them. The first method is using the built-in pie charts drill down capability. Start by dragging in a pie chart visual onto your report. For the legend field, add your main category like product category or department. Then drop in your sales figures to the values section. If you have a subcategory or a more detailed field like product or item type, drag that into the details area. Next, enable drill down on your chart. You'll spot a little downward arrow on the visuals header. Once that's active, when you click on any slice of your main pie, Power BI instantly drills into that slice, showing a new chart with the next level of detail. So if you click on Other, you'll see exactly what's inside it. It's a lot like lifting the lid off a mystery box. Now you know what's going on underneath. If you prefer to have both pies visible at once, try the 2-pie method. Create your main pie chart just like before. Next, create a second pie chart for your subcategories. Now add a slicer or use the Edit Interactions feature so that clicking a slice in the first pie updates the second pie to show just the breakdown for that slice. It's almost like having 2 windows to your data, one for the big picture and one for the close-up. This way, every time you select a main category, the second pie automatically refreshes to give you the details. And if you want even more polish and flexibility, custom visuals from the marketplace, like those I mentioned earlier, are your best option. Once you import them, just drag in your category and subcategory fields. These visuals are designed to give you multi-level pies with a few clicks, making your reports look both smart and interactive, just like in Excel. If you want to practice these methods, here's a quick sample dataset. Imagine you have columns for category, subcategory, and sales. Play around with these as your fields so you can see the effects in real time while you build. Before you wrap up, a quick word on best practices. Trust me, this can save headaches down the line. Keep your pie slices limited, usually around 4 to 6. Too many slices and your pie will look more like confetti than a chart, super hard to read. Use the Pie in Pie setup only when you really need to break down a crowded slice. And if your data has several levels or branches, sometimes TreeMap or Sunburst charts are a better fit for showing complexity. So there you have it. Now you know how to create a Pie in Pie visual in Power BI, including methods for drilled-on pies, linked pies, and powerful custom visuals. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop any questions or ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more advanced Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy charting.